Yes, all right. So on the screen you will see a comprehension. We will try to understand and then we'll try to answer the questions. Okay. Now first thing is we'll attempt trying to understand the passage and answer the question. फिर भी नहीं समझा, सपोज एग्जाम में यू आर नॉट एबल टू फिगर आउट के क्या है, पैसेज नहीं समझ रहा है, क्वेश्चन क्या है, आंसर किधर है, देन वी विल सी हाउ द ट्रिक of how to go about solving a comprehension wherein you are not able to understand anything. Okay, तो ट्रिक बाद में सीखेंगे. सबसे पहले हम लोग अंडरस्टैंडिंग पार्ट सीखेंगे. ला समेन प्रोशन. ओके, ला समेन प्रोशन. प्रोशन मीन्स फ्यूचर प्रॉश. प्रॉश मतलब क्या? Anybody knows what is prosh? Future prosh. Near future. So I can say prosh is near, right? Future prosh is tense, correct, but prosh means near, बराबर. तो ला समेन प्रोशन. प्रोशन मतलब नेक्स्ट. कैन आई से नेक्स्ट? आने वाला, क्योंकि फ्यूचर है, राइट. नियर फ्यूचर, तो मतलब समेन प्रोशन, प्रॉश, प्रोशन मीन्स नेक्स्ट बिकॉज इट्स फ्यूचर. नेक्स्ट वीक. ओके, it's in future prosh now, be careful. Next week Karan va ale avec des amis dans les Alpes. Karan va aller, subject plus aller conjugation plus infinitive. He is going to go. Yes, correct, Ishita. Very nice. Going to go with some friends in the Alps. Okay, so Karan, in the next week, Karan is going to go with his friends to the Alps mountains. Ils vont passer 4 jours à la montagne. Again, it's future prosh. They are going to spend 4 days at the mountains. Okay. कौशिकी, इंट्रोगेटिव हुआ ना तभी वॉवल क्लैश होता है. नॉर्मल अफर्मेटिव में हम लोग अभी यहाँ पे वा एंड आलेर में वॉवल क्लैश होने देंगे. ओके, अगर इल वा का वातिल करना है तो हाइफन टी हाइफन, अदरवाइज इन द अफर्मेटिव फॉर्म यू डोंट डू एनीथिंग. लेट द वॉवल्स क्लैश. Ils vont passer 4 jours à la montagne. They are going to spend 4 days at the mountains. 4 jours. Ils vont faire du trekking et du ski. They are going to do trekking and skiing. They are going to do. Subject plus aller plus infinitive. Ils vont faire. They are going to do trekking and skiing. Ils vont visiter Chamonix, une station de sports d'hiver. Okay? So they are going to visit Chamonix, a sports station, winter station. Karan va bien s'amuser. Karan is going to enjoy a lot. Now, we have understood the passage overall. This is about the activities or the plan that Karan and his friends are going to do in the next week, in the coming week. What is the activity or what is the plan? Karan is going to go to the Alps mountains. He is going to spend 4 days over there. He is going to do trekking, skiing, and he is also going to visit Chamonix winter sports station. Okay. Then at the end, they say they are going to enjoy a lot. Clear? Is the passage clear to all? Yes, no, I don't know, maybe. Yes, okay, great. Let's see the questions now. Qui va aller dans les Alpes? Qui va aller dans les Alpes? Read the question and try to figure out the answer. Qui. Qui means who. Qui va aller dans les Alpes? Very good, Kaushiki. Your answer is correct. But we have to also make sure Karan along with his friends, right? He's not going alone. Karan va aller avec ses amis dans les Alpes. Karan va aller avec ses amis dans les Alpes. Next. Quelle station de sports d'hiver vont-ils visiter? Which winter sports station are they going to visit? Do you know the name? Yes, very nice, Mahalakshmi. So you have been given a name here. Chamonix is the name. Ils vont visiter Chamonix. Okay, ils vont visiter Chamonix. Then, ils vont passer une semaine dans les Alpes. Une semaine. Une semaine means a week. A week means 7 days. So is it true? Are they going to spend 7 days in the mountains? 4. How many days then? What is the correct answer? Very nice, Ritesh. 4 days. It's only 4. Ils vont passer 4 jours à la montagne. The second line says it's 4. Ils vont faire la luge dans les Alpes. Do we talk about faire la luge anywhere in the passage? Faire la luge, is that an activity that they are going to do in the mountains? 4. No, that is not there anywhere in the passage. So what are the activities they are doing in the mountains? 2 activities they are doing. Yes, very nice, Jitesh. And yes, correct. So here it is in the third line itself. Ils vont faire du trekking et du ski. They are doing trekking and skiing. So again, this one is false. The best thing is you will not be asked to correct the answer. Okay? It's 4 and it's just 4. You don't need to write down the correction of the statement. Then, trouver dans le texte les activités qu'on peut faire dans les montagnes. So we just found this. They're saying find the activities that you can do in the mountains. That one can do in the mountains. What are the activities from the passage? From the passage, what are the activities? We discussed them already. Yes, very nice. Trekking and skiing. Faire la luge, somebody asked what is faire la luge. Faire la luge is to go sledging. Okay? To go sledging, or in US we say sledding. Have you understood? So we have the passage. Now, suppose you're not able to understand the passage at all, and then too you have to score 5 marks, because unseen comprehension usually comes for 5 marks in the board exams. Whereas board को अभी time है, पर फिर भी ऐसा questions तो school के exam में भी आ सकता है. Now, what to do when you don't understand the meaning? You have to look for the words of the question, है ना? क्वेश्चन का वर्ड्स अच्छे से देखो एंड क्वेश्चन वाले वर्ड्स को पैसेज वाले वर्ड से मैच करने का. वा आले dans les Alpes, va aller dans les Alpes. देखो मैच हो रहा है ये वर्ड्स. So your answer is going to be somewhere around here only. See how I'm matching the words from the passage and the questions. Qui va aller dans les Alpes? Karan va aller avec ses amis dans les Alpes. Matching words मतलब ये आंसर है. Quelle station the sports d'hiver? Station the sports d'hiver ये रहा. So my answer is here, है ना? So you see what you are doing, matching the words of the question to the passage words. Okay, match the words from the questions and check the same words in the passage and you will get the answer. Can we write the same? Yes, it should just make sense. Okay, मतलब जो question पूछा है, if it's answering that question correctly, then you can write the same in the same manner. अगर यहाँ पे करण की जगह पे ज दिया होता, see for example if say I am going to go with my friends, okay, then if they ask where is he, करण ने first person में बोला होता ना, तो where is he पूछा होता question, तो your answer should have been he is going to. See generally थोड़ा सा modification required होता है इंग्लिश में, फ्रेंच में इतना modification required नहीं होता है. So if you copy from the question, it's fine, but make sure thoda bahut changes. Read the question, try to understand the question. As long as you're not changing the meaning, it's fine, you copy. Okay, Kaushiki? Just don't change the meaning. Vrai ou faux is easy. Ils vont passer une semaine. So you're passer 4 jours लिखा है. देखो, you're matching the words and you're getting it as faux. Faire la luge तो किधर है ही नहीं. Instead you have faire du trekking, faire du ski. So it's absolutely faux. So you see, without even reading the passage, of course, this is not a right thing to do, but just in case, suppose you are running short of French, जो कभी होता नहीं है French में हमेशा पेपर जल्दी खत्म हो जाता है. Okay, so just in case you feel you're not confident with your answers, you're not able to understand the passage, तो ये shortcut है. Okay, you will try to match the words, question के words with the passage के words, and you will get the answer. Is this clear? Any doubts in the passage? Deep, is this fine? Shall I go ahead with the topic that I had planned now? Yes? Okay. So basically this was a request from Deep to do one unseen comprehension. Now I'm going to stop sharing the screen. Have you noted down everything? Samuser is to enjoy, Kaushiki. Ayushi has exam on 31st. Okay, Ayushi. Shall I stop sharing the screen? Okay. I'm going to start with a new topic, and the topic is les adjectives possessive. Okay. So hold on, let me share the screen with you all. If somebody has Neha's number from Ghatkopar branch, is Neha a student from Ghatkopar branch? Just tell her to rename so that I can admit her. We don't want her to miss anything. I kept sending her messages. It seems she's not receiving any message. Deep, just inform her to rename so that I can admit, okay? I'll give you 1 minute and then we'll start with this topic. Jaldi, because we have like 40 minutes to go. Okay, Deep, shall we begin? Did you inform her? Now, for this table, you can come to page, I'll let you know the page number. From your textbook, page number, yes, page number 32, 3232. Janvi has informed her. Okay, okay. Thank you, Janvi. Deep, thank you. We got her number. Remember, class, it's very important to rename yourself. Rename and then enter. All right. So, always adjective possessive, page number 32. Are you all ready? Shall we begin? Yes? Okay. Now, remember the possessive adjectives. Firstly, before we start, what is possessive? If I want to use a different word for to possess को replace करके मैं कौन सा दूसरा word use कर सकती हूँ? Me, mine, okay. आयुषी ये 8th में भी किया है. Before you log in, you will get a name. See, Arya, you will always write, have to enter your name before you log in. That is when you will write the correct name and then press login. I'm also joining from laptop, but then I get the option. Everyone should get the option, right? Everyone else is getting the option of renaming before you log in. After you join the meeting, then I have not kept the rename option open because it's not safe then. Okay, I'm admitting her today, but I have to inform her that she has to rename herself. Yes, please check. I'm sure everyone will get this option of renaming. Neha, if you hear me, please rename yourself next time. Today I'm doing that for you. Always rename and enter, okay? Yes, let's continue now. I was asking to possess. If I want to use a different word for to possess, then what do I use? To possess की जगह पे what other word can be replaced? To possess की जगह पे क्या और substitute कर सकते हैं? क्या दूसरा word use कर सकते हैं जहाँ पे meaning change ना हो? To, very nice, Daniel. Perfect. To own. To possess is to own, and in simple words, it is to own is right. But I'm looking for one easy word. To own means what? To I own a house. I Yes, very good, Arya. I have the house, I own a house. Okay, I possess a house, I possess a car, I have a car, or I own a car. Everything, all of this means the same. So to possess means to have something, to own something. Clear? To possess means what? Now, going ahead, possessive adjectives in English. Let's see what are they. If I am the owner, okay, if I am the owner of something, then I will say that thing is, for example, I am the owner of phone, so it is dash phone. It is what word do I use? I'm the owner of the phone, it is dash phone. It is my phone. My. If you are the owner, then it is in English your phone. Very nice, correct. Yours nahi, your, y-o-u-r only, s nahi, because when you add s it becomes a possessive pronoun. हमको possessive pronoun नहीं चाहिए, हमको possessive adjective चाहिए. Then if it is Deep's phone, then what will we say? It is dash phone, his phone. Perfect. If it is Ishita's phone, I will say it is dash phone, it is her phone. Perfect. If we all are the owner of the phone, then it is dash phone, our phone. Perfect. Perfect. If you all are the owner, you all is your, again your. Okay, you will understand the difference when I explain in Hindi. Just hold on, I'll come to that. Then if I say they are the owner, they as in let's say Deep and their, correct, they के साथ their. Now ये वाला ना, the thing this that we just discussed, this is how it is in English. My, your, his, her, our, your and their. This is possessive adjective in English. Now हिंदी में कैसा होगा? My को कैसे बोलेंगे हिंदी में? Perfect, perfect. But we don't always use mera. We can use meri also ना. मेरा, मेहरा नहीं रे, कौशिकी. सरनेम थोड़ी बोलना है भाई. मेरा, मेरा, M-E-R-A. So मेरा भाई, मेरी बहन, मेरे भाई बहन. So you see, मेरा, मेरी, मेरे, three words. All the three words mean what? My. All the three words mean my. In English ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. My, my, my's ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. English में नहीं होता है. नया English नहीं बनाने का. ये सिर्फ हिंदी में होता है. And what else have? Can you hear me? Are you able to hear me? Yes. Okay. Okay, just hold on. Yes. So mera, meri, mere. All the three words mean. No, because there's just one slide, Mahalakshmi, just the table. The rest of the things I'm just explaining. I have not changed the slide yet. Mera, meri, mere. All the three words mean my. Okay, mera, meri, mere. So you see, je is the owner. Je matlab I am the owner. तो मेरा यहाँ पे mo है, मेरी is ma and mere is me. Mo, ma, me is just like मेरा, मेरी, मेरे. अभी समझ रहा है? Are you able to relate with Hindi? And all the three words in English are same, my. Okay, so मेरा, मेरी, मेरे, mo, ma, me. तो सिमिलरली तो ताते क्या होगा? वेरी नाइस इशिता. तेरा, तेरी, तेरे. ओके, देन सौ सा से. सौ सा से क्या होगा हिंदी में? सौ सा से. लेट्स सी, हिंदी टेस्ट करते हैं आज. हिज और हर इन इंग्लिश करेक्ट. इन हिंदी उसका, उसकी, उसके. वेरी नाइस केतकी, आशना, दृष्टि करेक्ट. उसका, उसकी, उसके. ओके, उसका इज सो, उसकी इज सा एंड उसके इज से. उसका, उसकी, उसके. देन नु. Natra, natra, no would be what in Hindi? Yes, Arya is right. Very good. हमारा, हमारी, हमारे. हमारा, हमारी, हमारे. हमारा, हमारी and हमारे. Same way, vatra, vatra, wo is going to be. Now you will understand the difference. तेरा, तेरी, तेरे नहीं. आपका, आपकी, आपके. Okay, so you understand the difference. तो ताते is तेरा, तेरी, तेरे. Vatra, vatra, wo is आपका, आपकी, आपके. Now you understand the difference? In English it is both. Both of these words are your. But in Hindi they are different. So you see, you will understand the difference when you relate this with Hindi. लर 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 क्या होगा फिर? लर 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 would be yes, उनका, उनकी, उनके. Correct. So remember now this exactly with Hindi. ज के साथ मो मामे, त्यू के साथ तो ताते, इल एल के साथ सो सा से, नु के साथ नोत्र नोत्र नो, वु के साथ वोत्र वोत्र वो, इल एल के साथ ल ल लर with s. ओके, मो मामे, त्यू के साथ तो ताते, इल एल के साथ सो सा से, नु के साथ नोत्र नोत्र नो, वु के साथ वोत्र वोत्र वो, इल एल के साथ लर 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 with s. Is it clear? The table is clear now, everyone? It's easy to understand with Hindi. Yes, you see, so when you relate it with Hindi, you will very easily figure out everything. So let's get back to how do we use the possessive adjective. अगर masculine noun है तो mo use करेंगे, feminine noun है तो ma use करेंगे, plural है तो mes use करेंगे, just like Hindi. मेरा, मेरा for masculine, मेरी for feminine, मेरे for plural. तो यहाँ पे भी same है, mo ma me, masculine, feminine and plural. मेरा, मेरी, मेरे, मो, मा, में. समझा? सेम लॉजिक है. The difference is now in French for the board exams they will always give a question wherein you have to write an adjective which corresponds to the subject. मतलब एक adjective हमेशा subject pronoun से ही correspond होना चाहिए. In simple words, Ishita, I will come to that. Okay, I will explain that. Just hold on. In simple words, what I'm trying to say is, mo, ma, me use करना ही पड़ेगा जब sentence में जो दिया है तो. Okay, I go with my brother, my sister, and my friends to the movies. So you see, I आया ना sentence में तो mo, ma, me जो के साथ mo, ma, me आना ही चाहिए. अगर sentence में त्यू दिया है तो ता, ते ही लिखेंगे. So that is what the board exam says, that always use an adjective which corresponds to the subject. An adjective should correspond to the subject. मतलब जो यूज हुआ तो मोमा में ही आना चाहिए, क्यों यूज हुआ सेंटेंस में तो तोता ते ही आना चाहिए आंसर में. Do you understand? That is why I taught you this way. जॉब के साथ मोमा में, क्यू के साथ तोता ते, इल एल के साथ सौसा से, नु के साथ नोत्र नोत्र नो, वु के साथ वोत्र वोत्र वो, इल जेल्स के साथ लर लर लर. See, logically if I see ना इंग्लिश में, I go with or I give, you give me your book. Fine, you give me your book. But you can even hand me over my book if my book is at your table and I say, you give me my book. That is correct na in English. You give me my book. Because my book is with you. So I can say this logically, it is correct. You के साथ my use हो सकता है English में, French में नहीं. Because that is what your board clearly states. Always use an adjective which corresponds to the subject. So even though you give me my book is right, you will still get wrong in the exam. Because you give me your book, they will tell you, you आया तो आपको your ही use करना है. He आया तो आपको his ही use करना है. So that is why it is very important to remember जो के साथ मोमा में ही आंसर आना चाहिए, क्यों के साथ तोताते, इल एल के साथ सौसा से. This is very very important. You will not change the order. जो के साथ मोमा में ही, क्यों के साथ तोताते ही. Understood everyone? तो सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट ढूंढने का एंड अकॉर्डिंगली आंसर डिसाइड करने का. Any doubt so far, anybody? If this is clear, I will start asking questions. Okay, now in the chat answer the question. Q के साथ क्या यूज करेंगे? What are the three options that you have along with Q? Kaushiki, I'll explain that. Hold on. Yes, correct. Very good. Q के साथ हमेशा तीन options होगा, तो ताया ते. Okay. What about ills and els? Ills, els, ILS, ELLES. ILS है Ashna. ILS plural. Very nice. It's lur, lur or lur with S. It's very important to remember class. Second वाला lur में E नहीं है. See, lur and lur same spelling है, and last वाला lur is just with s. Some of you are adding e to the second वाला lur ना, last वाला में देखो it's lur 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 same है masculine feminine का. So remember this very well. Okay, now what will you write along with nu? Nu के साथ dash dash dash. Very nice, Ashna. Very good, Jitesh, Namra, Ishita, Diya, Deep, Pritika. Very good. Good going. Kaushiki correct. Trishti correct. All right. So it seems that you have understood. आपको table याद हो गया है. Now, once that the table is clear, I'll explain one more thing. When the vowels clash, okay, for अभी chat में देखो, use the chat. Just hold on. Okay. What was I asking? Yes. So for the feminine words, when the vowels clash, have a look in the chat. When I want to say my friend, okay, my friend who is a girl. So I should write what? Which word should I write for my friend? Very nice. Arya has put the answer, and I will also put the same thing. Okay, ma and ami. मैंने ma use किया क्योंकि ami is feminine. AMIE. तो ideally ये correct है, but there is one rule which says here the vowels are clashing. चलो vowels clash हो रहा है तो माँ को change करो mo में, समझा? So rule says when the vowels clash, ma, ta and sa will change to mo, to and so. Understood this rule now, Kaushiki? Vowels clash जब होता है तो ma, ta and sa will change to mo, to and so. If you want, note it down. यहाँ पे already दिया है उन लोग ने, देखो मोतो सो for a feminine noun beginning with a vowel. But अगर ये नहीं समझ रहा है तो simple words में लिखो माता सा changes to मोतो सो respectively. इज्जत से मतलब मा will change to mo only, ta will change to to only, and sa will change to so only when the vowels clash. Understood? Did you write down? माता सा changes to mo to so. It doesn't change for masculine. Masculine में vowel ही किधर clash होगा ना? आर्या देखो, if I write मोनामी, लास्ट वाला क्या है? एन है. सी राइट डाउन मोनामी एंड चेक. यहाँ पे वोवल क्लैश हो रहा है क्या? लिख के देखो. मैस्कुलिन में तो वोवल क्लैश का कुछ है ही नहीं झंझट. देख लो चैट में. आमी विदाउट ई है एंड MON. यस. सिमिलरली नौत्र वोत्र में भी, चलो नौत्र वोत्र भी लिख के देखते हैं. नौत्र वोत्र में वोवल क्लैश होता है, बट व्हाट हैपेंस इज नौत्रा को हटा के क्या लिखेंगे हम? फिर से नौत्रा ही ना, क्योंकि मैस्कुलिन कॉलम में क्या है? नौत्रा ही है. डू यू सी? सो नौत्रा को हटा के फिर से नौत्रा ही लिखेंगे. तो वो रूल याद करके क्या करना है? नौत्रा को हटा के नौत्रा लिखो, वोत्रा को हटा के वोत्रा लिखो. सेम तो है. सो वी विल लेट द वोवेल्स क्लैश इन दैट केस. गेटिंग मी? इज एवरीथिंग क्लियर फॉर एवरीवन नाउ? Okay. Now, before you start solving the exercises, I am done with the explanation. एक बार पूरा revise करेंगे and then I will give you a small test. चलो, let's see. Firstly, possessive. To possess something in Notra also vowels clash. Yes. So Pritika, that is what I just said. हम लोग ऊपर में क्या कर रहे हैं? माँ को हटा के मो लिख रहे हैं ना, मतलब फेमिनिन वाला हटा के मैस्कुलिन वाला लिख रहे हैं, बराबर. माँ को हटा के मो लिख रहे हैं, ता को हटा के तो लिख रहे हैं, सा को हटा के सो लिख रहे हैं. Look, see the cursor. Look at my cursor. माँ को हटा के मो, ता को हटा के तो, सा को हटा के सो. तो नौत्र में क्लैश हो रहा है तो नौत्र को हटा के क्या लिखेंगे? नौत्र ही ना फिर से. डू यू सी प्रीतिका? सी द कर्सर. लेफ्ट में और राइट में सेम टू सेम है ना, मैस्कुलिन फेमिनिन. सो अभी क्या करेंगे हम? सेम वर्ड्स है तो वोवेल क्लैश होने देने का. लेट द वोवेल्स क्लैश. ओके. Yeah, so getting back to the recap of possessive adjectives. To possess something is to have something or to own something. Okay, if I want to replace the word to possess, then I will say I have something, I own something, I am the owner of something, and so on. Then possessive adjectives in English एक ही होता है. My, your, his, her, our, your और their एक ही word होता है. Okay, it doesn't matter masculine noun हो feminine noun हो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. My brother, my sister, my uncle, my parents, सबके लिए my ही होता है. My is ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है इंग्लिश में. But in Hindi, it does change depending on the noun. मेरा भाई, मेरी बहन, मेरे भाई बहन. तो जैसे हिंदी में it changes, in the same manner it changes in French as well. It's very much like Hindi. This topic is very much like Hindi. So j के साथ mo ma me stands for मेरा, मेरी, मेरे. तोता ते, तेरा, तेरी, तेरे. सौसा से, उसका, उसकी, उसके. नौत्र नौत्र नो, हमारा, हमारी, हमारे. वॉत्र वॉत्र वो, आपका, आपकी, आपके. लर लर लर, उनका, उनकी, उनके. Now you have to remember ये जो possessive adjectives है they should always correspond to the subject. मतलब ज के साथ मोमा में ही आना चाहिए आंसर में, क्यू के साथ तोता ते ही आना चाहिए आंसर, इल एल के साथ सौसा से, नु के साथ नौत्र नौत्र नो, हु के साथ वॉत्र वॉत्र वो, इल जेल्स के साथ लर लर एंड लर विद एस. तो ये टेबल पूरा बाय हार्ट होना चाहिए अच्छे से. देन यू विल मेक श्योर वॉवल स्लैश हुआ तो मा को मो में चेंज करोगे, ता को तो में एंड सा को सो में. एवरीथिंग क्लियर? Is everything clear? For those who are using the words like mine, yours, remember they are not possessive adjectives, they are possessive pronouns. Okay? Mine, yours, hers, ours, ये सब possessive pronoun है. Possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives mix नहीं करने का, अलग अलग topics है. All right, are you ready for a small test? Yes, are you ready for the small test? टेबल अच्छे से देख लो, नीचे वाला वॉवल वाला रूल अच्छे से देख लो. रेडी? ऑल सेट? वेरी नाइस. चलो लेट्स बिगिन देन. Here is your exercise. You will see this exercise on page wait, let me tell you, आप वहाँ पे लिख सकते हो. This is chapter 4, exercise 9. Chapter 4, page number 45. अच्छा नहीं, ये वाला नहीं है. But let's do the exercise that's there on the screen. एक minute. ये third exercise. Okay, then this is not taken from your textbook. ठीक है, ये यहाँ पे जो स्लाइड पे है वो ऐसे ही सॉल्व करो, फिर हम लोग चैप्टर 4 का एक्सरसाइज 9 भी करेंगे. First, what is there on the slide, you solve that. Okay, chalo let's begin then. Number 1, what is the answer according to you for the questions that are on the slide? Slide के ऊपर जो questions है वो. Okay, all of you are correct so far. Deep says mo क्यों Deep? मेरा पेरेंट्स थोड़ी बोलेंगे Deep. मन क्या बोलेंगे? मेरे पेरेंट्स. मेरे इज MES. mes parents प्लूरल है ना. So je vais téléphoner à mes parents. Mes. Okay. Number 1 clear, Deep and Man. टेक्स्ट बुक का एक्सरसाइज बाद में करेंगे. दृष्टि अभी पे अटेंशन. स्क्रीन वाला एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व कर रहे हैं हम. एवरीवन डू नॉट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. वी आर डूइंग द एक्सरसाइज व्हिच इज देयर ऑन योर स्क्रीन. नाउ टू द bonjour our dash professor. Very nice, all answers are correct so far. Perfect, good going, well done. Okay, so we will use ton professor. Q के साथ ton. वत्र नहीं किटकी. That's what the rule said. Q के साथ तोंता ते, ज के साथ मोमा में, तु के साथ तोंता ते. Subject Q है तो answer has to be from तोंता और ते. Professor is le professor, LE. That's why it's ton professor, masculine. Okay. Now the third one is you. Just hold on. I don't know, has my screen got stuck? Is somebody else sharing the screen? Can you all see my screen? Just hold on.
10% were right.
Can you all hear me now, class? Use the chat. Yes, okay. I'll share the screen once again. My PC was hanging a lot. Let's see now. I hope it doesn't create any more problems. Can you see my screen? Yes, okay. So let's continue the discussion then. We have finished discussing the first two answers, right? Okay. The third one, what would you write for the third one? Yes. Ils ke saath lur and lur with S. We are writing lur with S because kamarad is with S. Okay. The fourth one, please. Perfect. Very good. Abhi, this is answering your question. The vowels are clashing. Class, pay attention. But we'll still write Notra क्योंकि Notra को हटा के दूसरा क्या option ही नहीं है ना हमारे पास. The last one. Who won the dash Vuatur? Very nice. Perfect. Now suppose I change the word. मैंने Vuatur को S लगाया तो आप आंसर क्या लिखोगे? Add S to the word Vuatur. Very nice. Very nice. Vuatros with S नहीं होता है. What will you change it to? VOS. VOS. Very nice. Okay. So be careful. One small letter ka addition will change your answer. Now we will come to the discussion of page 45, exercise 9. I'll give you a few seconds. आप फटाफट लिख दो book में and then we'll discuss. I'll share the table with you all. You can refer to the table as of now. Why it is to and not ta in the second one? Professor is usually le professor, okay, which is why it is to and not ta. All right. Which possessive adjectives will come for students? Etudiant. Etudiant in the tu form. Okay. You are my student. So how do I write that? No, you cannot write that. But see, the subject is tu. That's what you're asking, right? Kaushiki. Tu and etudiant with S. तो etudiant with S है ना, तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? TES when the subject is tu. Understood, Kaushiki? Then it's getting. Shaka. Oh, it's चालू रो केडा hang थे तो के चो पण એટલે ચાલુ આવી છો એડા ઘડી ઘડી hang थे तो Can you all hear me now, class? My PC got hanged again. I'll just take 5 minutes and we'll stop, all right? So page number 45, exercise number 9. I assume you are done with that. Yes, Hunal, yes. Some nouns which are masculine, feminine, both, just like professor. Then we usually use the masculine one, okay? Kaushiki, your answer is TES. Because etudiant is in the plural form, all right? Now, let's finish discussing exercise number 9, page number 45. I'm not sharing the screen because it seems when I share the screen or when there's too much I do here, then the PC gets hanged. So you refer to your textbook, page number 45, exercise number 9. Je vais téléphoner à dash Kuza. Very nice. Ashna, it's Kuza with S. Pay attention. Ek S will change your answer. Answers one by one, Ishita, so that it's easy for me to correct. Kaushiki, pay attention. Je hai, je. Je vais téléphoner à mes. MES is the answer. MES. क्यों मैं Kuza? क्योंकि subject je hai and the noun is in the plural form. Kuza, COUSINS. Jo and plural to MES. Clear? Now, the next one. Q de bonjour dash professor. Q and professor. अच्छा नीचे वाला तो सब सेम ही था ना, वो वाला एक्सरसाइज वैसा ही है. Ils you avec dash camarade. नीचे वाला all discussion, all have been discussed already. Okay, I'll give you one more exercise then. You can come to page number 64. 64. Exercise number 13. 64 का exercise 13. We'll stop in 5. फटाफट हो जाएगा. 5 sentences ही है. So within 5 minutes we'll be done. चलो, let's see. Le samedi, les enfants vont au zoo avec dash ami. Are you all with me? Page number 64, exercise number 13. Yes. Very nice. Ayushi correct. Pritika correct. Kaushiki, Shalika correct. Ayushi correct. Ishita correct. Suzanne correct. Okay, Suzanne, one small correction. Lur कभी भी e के साथ नहीं होगा. Okay. So, le samedi, les enfants. Les enfants मतलब ils. Ils corresponds to lur or lur with s. हम लोग ने lur with s choose किया क्योंकि next word is in the plural form. Ami with s है. So you understood why it is lur with s? There was one person who wrote SES. SES लिखते अगर subject ill होता, singular होता, तो SES right होता. Now the second one. Nous sortons avec dash parents. Very nice. All of your answers are correct. Seems you've understood. Nous sortons avec no. NOS. NOS is the correct answer. Perfect. Very nice. Q on voit un texto à dash professor. Q के साथ professor के लिए क्या लिखेंगे? Ton. Very nice. Excellent. Well done. Then fourth one. Vous vendez dash maison. Vous के साथ maison के लिए votre. Perfect. And lastly, j'explique la leçon à dash étudiante. जो है जो के साथ मो माया में. हम में यूज कर रहे हैं because étudiante is with s. Okay, very good. All your answers are correct. Any doubts so far? Anybody? Is possessive adjectives understood by all? Okay, great. Good to know then. We'll stop here. Ma'am, can you repeat the third answer? Yes, sure. Q on quoi un texte. I'll repeat all the answers, okay? All the answers. Le samedi, les enfants vont au zoo avec leur ami. The children go to the zoo with their friends. LEURS. Okay? First one is LEURS. Nous sortons avec nos parents. NOS. Second wala NOS. Q on हुआ a texto. Texto मतलब message kit की. You are sending a message to your professor. So your professor. Ton professor. Ton use किया क्योंकि subject क्यों है. All right. Vous vendez votre maison. You all sell your house. Vous vendez votre maison. Lastly, j'explique la leçon à mes étudiants. I am explaining the lesson to my students. My, MES. Okay. If a word starts with a vowel and is plural, okay, if it's plural and as well as vowel दोनों भी, तो हम plural column ही use करेंगे ना, क्योंकि plural वाले column में vowels के साथ clash ही नहीं हो सकता है. कैसे देखो, मेज आमी सबके साथ लिख के देखते हैं. महालक्ष्मी, whose doubt is that Kaushiki. Okay, look in the chat. मेजामी, सेजामी, सेजामी, किधर भी क्लैश हो रहा है क्या कौशिकी? नोजामी, किधर भी नहीं क्लैश हो रहा है. सो देन डाउट पूरी क्लियर हो गया आपका. ओके, एनीथिंग एल्स यू वांट टू आस्क? Clear, everything clear so far? I know we had lots of issues today, but I'm sure everyone has understood everything. किसी का कुछ मिस नहीं हुआ? All right, then we'll stop here. All my doubts are clear. Thank you. Okay, great. Welcome, Kaushiki. We'll stop here. Enjoy the rest of the day. Have a nice meal with your family. Good night. Bye bye. Adios. Ciao. Take care.